Buenos días, Darwin Fortuna aquí, FORTUNAFLOW. I know a lot of people have been asking for new videos from me. I did a couple videos at the beginning of the week, but I am spending time with my kids. So, good time to spend time with my kids. But I'll tell you what I did prior to enjoying my vacation with my children. One thing I did was that I've been studying the markets, and as I told you in my last video, I created a list of the coins I believe in, the coins that are going to soar, the coins that have a long-term future, and I would share the new list, the second list, at some point. I will share it. I have not shared it, but I have invested on those. The other thing I did was that um, I expected that there was going to be a rally. Very clearly, there was going to be a rally with inflation data coming better than expected, right? In fact, it's basically 2 months behind, 2 months better than what it was. So it was 9.1 for June. So for July, it was 8.5. For May, it was actually 8.6%, right? So we were a lot better than most people expected, which is ironic because gas prices have gone down. So we knew that that was going to happen, but a lot of people didn't expect it. So what I did was that I already had my holdings where I wanted it, no financial advice. Um, but I was expecting that rally to take place, and I started taking profit off the table. Um, I have said that I believe we've bottomed with Bitcoin at 17,000, and that's still the truth for me so far. But I also don't think that we're going to go to 28, 30,000 without pulling back all the way to at least 20. I don't think that. No financial advice. But with that being said, Ethereum has taken the biggest pump. It's gone up the most. It hit 2,000 several times. I am a long-term believer in Ethereum. So what I did was I took some chips off the table. In fact, a whole lot of them. I've been taking off the table every single day, every single minute, whenever I can. Why? Because I get more conviction that this rally is not a long-term rally. And it happened in March, even though I knew the coins that I wanted to invest in and they soared by 50, 60%, some of them within 3 weeks. I was greedy and I did not take profit off the table. I didn't take as much as I should have. And I continued DCAing up, which is the opposite. You should DCA on the way down. No financial bias, that's what I do. And well, I got my butt handed to me, right? I was too greedy. I know Flocky. Flocky was way too greedy. He went all in on ETC in March. Great, recovered all of his losses. Great. I gave him the advice. That Flocky, I gave him advice personally, um, to to spend money there. But I did tell him when we get as high as 45, $48 for Ethereum Classic, please take some chips off the table. He did not, and we reversed all the way back to $16 again, and he lost it all back. Do you want that to happen to you? No financial advice. So what I've done is, you know what? Ethereum could go right now to 5,000. I already took most of my money. I only have a couple pennies in there. Solana could go all the way to 200, whatever, right? I took some money off of it. Ethereum Classic could go all the way to 100. I took some chips off of it. But what is the likelihood of that happening? Right? Let's look at it. Do I believe we've bottomed? Yes. Do I believe we're gonna go up? Yes. Do I believe this rally is sustainable? No. This is just an inflation rally and a merge, right? Because the merge is happening in September. There've been a lot of positive. Actually, the merge successfully happened on the last test net, right? So it is moving to proof of stake. But this is a very classic example of buy the rumor, sell the news. The moment the merge happens, a lot of people are going to sell. A lot of people. In fact, now with the news of the merge successfully happening on the testnet, a lot of people are going to sell. So what am I doing to have peace of mind? This is a good rally. I'm not hoping to hit it at a 90% gains. If I got it at 80% gains, great. If I got it at 85% gains, great. But I'm not going to risk it. I'm not going to be too greedy. I'm going to pick it back up again. This is the game of making money. Even though I believe in crypto, I am not here to marry any coins, right? I've been married. I don't want to get married to any coins. And you know what happens when I get married to coins like Dogecoin? Well, they go all the way from 60 cents to 4 cents, right? And you keep holding them. Nope, unto death shall we part. Nah, that's not what's gonna happen. I'm here to make money. So here's my plan of attack, which I discovered recently too. If I am wrong, and Ethereum goes all the way to 2,500, 3,000, right, which is highly unlikely in my opinion, then it means that coins like Sheep or Doge will probably 50x, 30x, 10x, right? Because their market cap is a lot lower. I don't know if you guys understand that, but the lower the market cap, the easier it is to push a coin up. Like if a coin has a market cap of $1 million, and suddenly Elon Musk throws in $1 billion, that coin goes up by 1,000% because it throws the whole market cap through the moon. So what I'm looking at is I'm looking at this rally right now. I've taken off some chips and some of my profits, and I'm going to evaluate how far and how much. If Bitcoin goes to 30,000, I'm gonna find a couple altcoins within the top 50. And I'm gonna throw some money in because they're going to 10x, 5x, and I'm not going to be greedy. I'm going to take profit immediately and get out. That's it. I'm not here to marry any coins, like I said. So, and I can have peace of mind with my children right now. So, again, I do have multiple strategies, right? Like some coins I do hold for a long time. There's some coins I don't. My main bag right now is actually off. I took most of my money's off the table right now, which is a good place to be after having lost so much money before, right? And that's the plan of attack. That's the plan of attack, okay? So I am going to continue to DCA when I see it coming down so that I can pick the coins back up on the downside when they're going down. But I am waiting, and my target is Ethereum at least at 1,200. I'm not saying 900. I'm not saying 800. At least 12 or 1,000. I will pick it up there, right? Solana, I would say $29, $30. Ethereum Classic, $22, $20. Right? I'm not saying that they're gonna go as down as 16 because for Ethereum Classic, because if I say that, then I'm being hypocritical. I said that we already bought them, so we're not gonna go any lower than we've already bought them. Okay? But I don't believe this is a sustainable play right now. We've been going up every week for the last 3 weeks. Not sustainable. All right, so no financial advice. I'm gonna keep enjoying my life right here with my family, and but just wanted to let you know what I'm thinking, what I'm doing. Peace. Stay in touch. Fortuna Flow. Subscribe. Make sure you like. And there's gonna be a lot of content on my vacation time. The good content, because I'm spending my profits. That's a good one.